Alright, girls and boys, and welcome to Goran Guitar. We have TEKNO here, Peace of Mind. Yeah, so nice melody there that I love. It's nice to play, it fits very great here in your hand. To pick all these notes sounds harder than it actually is. And with this simple chord progression here, we don't need any capo for this one, so we'll start right away with the chords. So starting out with a bar chord, the F, that's a bar on the first fret over all strings, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. Okay, and then we have the C next. That is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. E minor, and that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have A minor, so that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And finally we have the G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Alright, so F, C, E minor, A minor, and G. Alright, let's take a look at this melody, and we're gonna go chord by chord. This is a chord progression that goes round and round through the entire song. So we'll go from the very beginning here, starting with F. So what you need here for this picking is to hold this. You don't need to hold the bar chord here if you don't want to. Could be tough to hold that through one full song. So if you wanna just play the picking, it's enough with first fret on E string, third on A, and then second on G. You're gonna play this for 2 times. So that is first E, third A, second G, and back to third A. That's for 2 rounds, so it sounds like this. In a slower tempo. Alright, so F. Next is the G. So what you do here, from this grip, you just let everything go and stay with the third fret A string. All right, so that's the only you need to hold down here now for C. So you don't have to do like this and then go back here. You just release and have that already there. Third on E, A, sorry, and it sounds like this. So that is third on A, open G, open E, and back to open G. You play that for 2 rounds as well, so. Okay. And now next we have the E minor. The only need to hold here is this. And you're gonna play. So you're gonna play open E string, second A, open G, and back to second A. You play that for 2 rounds as well, so. Okay, so far we learned F 2 rounds, C 2 rounds, and E minor 2 rounds. Now we have the final part here, the A minor and the G left. So the A minor goes like this. Okay, so that is. Yeah, you can start to hold the second D and first B. If you want, you can hold a full chord, but you don't need to. This is enough. So open A, second D, first B, and then back to second D. Then you start again on the open A and end with the first B. So it's a little bit different, this A minor. It goes like that. And then you have the final part, the G, and it's only 2 notes. You go up here to the third fret E string in the bass, and you're gonna play that note, and then you end with the open B. And that's it for the melody. All right, so slowly I'm gonna take you through one full round of this and then speed up on the second round for the standard tempo. Let's go. There you have one round of this cool TEKNO's Peace of Mind melody. All right, so let's take a look finally at the strumming pattern you can combine with this melody. So now we need to hold the full chords, and we'll start with the F. So one strumming round will be like this. Okay, so it's down, down, up, clap, down. Okay, so you're gonna play F2, C2, E minor 2, okay? Then on the A minor, you're gonna play 1 first, and then you're gonna still play on A minor 1 down only, a pause, and then you shift to G and play 1 down and a pause. And that's one round of this song. So let's go slowly here, starting from the beginning of F. And then on the second round. So I'm gonna speed up now to the standard tempo, give you a couple of rounds, and that will end this tutorial. So let's go. Alright guys, peace of mind. Thank you for watching this, and till next time, play tuned.